Hey there, so this is a video of what a mini suite looks like. This is Aloha 225, which is on deck 12. And walking in, you have this little desk area here, which is nice. Put your keys and phones and stuff. And then here's the closet. And the top shelf there. And then here's the wardrobe, and there's the safe in there, and several shelves, and then the bathroom. There's a step up, and it's quite spacious actually. There's a tub and a shower, which we've never had before, with really nice tile, and it's got the growy handset. And then coming into the actual bedroom part, obviously we have our bed set up for a queen setup, and you've got a TV over the bed, and then end tables, and then there's an extra end table in here, which is actually a little bit wider for the sofa. There's also curtains, so someone could be sleeping on the sofa, and there's a drop down from the ceiling for another bed. And then there's the balcony, and this area has another TV, and there's the desk. There's tons of storage underneath. And on this side we have our fridge, and if you ask your cabin steward nicely, he'll bring you ice and keep it stored in the fridge for you. And then there's the actual balcony. So we are towards the forward stairwell of the ship, and there you have it.